the aspect of the vowel sounds, and there is a need for us to quickly look at these consonant sounds. Do let's forget, in the previous video, I tried to explain that phonetic symbols are the use of signs to represent the vowel and consonant sounds. We have been able to explain the vowel sounds, and there is a need to quickly go into the consonant sounds. I will not be taking everything about the consonant sounds, but I will just take some important aspects. Of course, everything is important, but I'll be taking few among these consonant sounds. Of course, there are 24 consonant sounds. If I'm to teach the English students, I will have to talk about consonant sounds, talking about the place of articulation, the manner of articulation, and the state of the glottis. But time will not permit us to go into these aspects of the consonant sounds. So I will be taking consonant sound, just bringing out the analysis of each of the sounds and how it is being produced. For example, I have these sounds on the board. B, T, D, G. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I'm left with two of these sounds to place here. I think I've not taken this sound. It's not there yet. And I've not also taken one sound, which I'm trying to quickly look at. Okay, I've taken this. I've taken these. I've taken these. Okay, there's still one sound that I think when I start the class, I'll be able to just quickly pick it. There are 24 of these sounds there, and I've been able to bring out 23 of them, which I'll put the remaining very fast. Very fast. Let me quickly discuss few of these sounds. Let me just take this. Let me take this. This sound. Of course, if I'm teaching the English students, I will call this that it is plosive, it is bilabia, and there is a sudden release of air, that is plosive. It is bilabia because it has my two lips in the production of the sound, and it is voiceless. So if I'm to describe this, I will say voiceless, bilabia, plosive. But we are not going into this aspect of English because they won't ask us this in our exams, except those that are studying English in full. Now, this sound, in most cases also, can be voiced and be voiceless. When it is voiced, like pat, like pad, like pants, like plumber, these are voiced sound. But it can also be voiced by saying psalms. What is happening to this sound? It has become voiceless. So there is no production of these. Like I have psychology. Psychology. What's happened to this? This is voiceless. And that is why we have it also voiceless. Of course, I have pneumonia. This P has become voiceless, So in other words, this sound can be voiced and it can be voiceless. So when it is voiced, as in pat, pad, pan, plumber. And when it is voiceless, like Sam, psychology, pneumonia, and we have other words. Very fast. I would also love to take this sound that is next. If this is called voiceless bilabial plosive, this is called voiced bilabial plosive, because as of the production of this, the vocal cord has been joined together, and there is, I mean, at this point you will discover that the air at this point is pointing the glottis, which has led it to become a voice sound. So in other words, this is a voiced sound, but when we are analyzing it, it can be voiceless and be voiced. For example, where I have band, this is voiced. Where I have bag, this is voiced. Where I have ball or bail, this is voiced. And in most cases can be voiceless. When it is voiceless, I have this. This is called debtor, not called debtor. It's called debtor. Why is that? Because the B here is voiceless. Like I have womb, so I won't call it womb. It is womb. The B is voiceless. Like I have comb, I won't say comb. The B here is voiceless. Of course, I also have debts, so I won't call it debts. I will call it debts. So this is, or these are the words that are voiceless in this context. Don't let's forget, for this sound, we have the voiced sound, as in band, bag, bill. The B here are voiced. While for the voiceless sound, like debtor, womb, comb, debts, the B here are voiceless. Let me quickly add to this. I have this sound. This is also another important aspect that we need to take note. Of course, in this sound or in this sign, the sign also can be voiced and be voiceless. When it is voiced, like 10, like tenth, like tall, like tell. All these signs are voiced in this context, but when it is voiceless, like we have in this context of, we saying listen, what's happening to this T? It is voiceless. Just like I have apostle, what's happening to this T? It is voiceless. Where I have wrestle, I won't say rescue, I will call it wrestle. The T is voiceless. Like I also have here, I have sachet. The T here is voiceless. So under the sound that, or the signs that are voiceless, under this sound we have, so that are voiced, we have 10, tenth, tall, tell. These are voiced. But for voiceless sound, we have listen, apostle, wrestle, sachet, and these are what we have. And I will just pick two more, which are also very important. I have to take this sign. This sign here is always gotten when I have TH, and it is voiceless. It is purely voiceless. So anytime I have TH, and this is a voiceless sound, like I have thank, this TH is voiceless. Like I have think, this TH is voiceless. Like I have thoughts, the TH is voiceless. So where I have a sign that is voiceless with TH, like I have this, then I have this other sign which is also for TH, but it is voiced. In this context, the difference between this and this is that this is voiceless and this is voiced. For example, I have father, father. The TH here is, of course, voiced. Like I have there, there. The TH here is voiced. Like I have brother. The TH is voiced. So what differentiates this and this is that this sign is voiceless and this sign is voiced. So if you want to get all of that things concerning this consonant sound, stay tuned as we give you other analysis.